No, that's alright. Hello everybody. It's David and Yvonne. And we are in a warehouse complex that we've been asked to investigate. And we're already freaking out. There's so many different energies in this particular building where we are, and one of those isn't very nice. That noise you can hear is the Alice box, which we have here.
So,
Hi Julia, hi Roy, hi Yvonne.
just a wee minute ago, I was responding to Julia saying hi, forgetting that it was mine. Just whenever David said that we have a man called Joe, the door at the bottom down here banged, and so we jumped out our skin.
It was a really loud bang.
So, yeah, we've set up and we're good to go.
Hi Jane, hi Charles, hi Gillian. I think the thing that doesn't help is it's really windy tonight as well, so there's a lot of extra noise that shouldn't be here. Okay, so I'll call out again and see if we can get Joe to interact again. If there's a man here called Joe, hear that? Knock, knock, knock. Joe, is that you that's making that knocking noise? If it is, can you knock again? Pretty sure I can hear footsteps.
Well, it's just because there's different footsteps coming.
There's footsteps coming from down there.
Joe, make a loud noise again if that's you that we're hearing. Okay, thank you.
Oh my god, did you see that red flash? And that door down there?
Joe, can you come a wee bit closer?
That was a really bright red flash.
Joe, bang on the door like earlier.
Oh my god.
Just to let you know that we're the only people in the building. There are security round about, so we're definitely the only people around.
Yeah.
So any noises you're hearing are the real deal.
If you can see that blue light in the middle of the screen there, that's the quad. So it's a bit like a REM pod, and it measures temperature, motion, EMF, and it's sensitive to vibration as well.
Joe, do you think you can come up a wee bit and see if we can light one of the lights that's up beside us here, please? There's a couple behind me and there's one behind David. Got a red light going on, look. Thank you.
Also is. So there is a red torch and a green torch over there, and you can just see in the middle of the screen the red has just went off.
Joe, can we go to the other one and light it up too? Step away from
Oh.
that one.
No, it's no.
Let's try it. Do you know, I don't get spooked by places, but as soon as we parked the car, I came back to the car and said to you it was dark, quite dark in here and quite oppressive feeling in here.
I don't spook easily either. Neither does Yvonne. And I've already jumped out my skin about 5 times.
It was a pigeon.
Well, the first one was a pigeon.
Joe, are you still with us? If you are, give us a sign.
If you can hear that noise in the background, it's a pigeon going prrr, prrr.
I don't know if you can see our board here. Can you see it quite well?
Not really. I will shine the torch. There's the name Peggy has just come up.
So this is our board, which is made from the deck of our hearse, which we've just sold. So I'm going to get any better board than this.
No, you won't.
No.
Is there a lady called Peggy here? I've already explained to the spirits in here of how the Alice box works. And it's pretty much been constant since then, isn't it?
I'm going to get back to the lights out and see what's in that door.
It's in the car.
Is that a car? Is it? You know it yourself?
Yeah. That noise is the motion censored dog. It's just because Yvonne's walked past it. It's triggered it. If there's any spirit people here, can you make a loud noise to let me know that you're here? I don't know if you guys heard that, but there was just a big bang coming from behind me. Thank you, Spirit. If that was you that made that bang, can I be really annoying and ask you to do it again for me to confirm that it was you, please? I also do, I don't know if you can see a way up here in that doorway there. The door is open and I keep seeing somebody, like a shadow figure, and then it moves back into the side of the door again. And this is Yvonne just coming back, if you hear the footsteps. But if that was you that made that bang,
Did you hear a bang?
when I asked it to. If that was you that made that bang, and you are a male, can you do it again for me, please? Can you make a bang if you're a male? No, Jane. The only living human is the security guard, and he is 3 buildings away. The only live people are Yvonne and myself.
Just.
And that is a helicopter you can hear coming over.
Where did the bang come from? That way or that way?
It came from the left. Fury.
There's no kitten ball hits no motorbikes.
Other than that red one over there. Robert. There's no point in calling out at the moment because of that helicopter. We're literally a stone's throw from the River Clyde, so anybody from Glasgow knows there's usually a helicopter around the River Clyde. There you see it just went by.
Got a lot of names. Joseph, Sally,
Yeah.
Sandy.
We don't normally get a lot of names on it.
G.
Yeah. And interestingly, we had the letter G, and that's the first time I've ever seen the Alice box give
1 letter.
1 letter.
That's the most names we've seen.
If we have a gentleman called Robert here, can you try and light one of those lights that are facing me opposite on the ground? Can you hear footsteps again?
I've just it's not as windy out there.
Is it no? Do you hear that? It actually sounds like somebody using a hammer off one of the walls, doesn't it?
Can you hear that at home?
Yeah,
Did
yeah.
the spirit that's just made that banging noise. See if you can do it again, but just quite loud. A wee bit louder than what it was. Come on, make it a bit louder. Can you slam one of those doors up there?
I'm hearing footsteps coming from up there now. No? We've got quite a good vantage point here because we can see down there and up here. So I've just heard footsteps coming from up in this direction.
Stand in the window.
Yeah, that's Yvonne standing there. It's not a spirit. Hello, Natasha. Roy, did you just hear a voice? Oh, that's what was on. Hello. And it's went off the minute I turned round. Did you hear that bang as well? Spirit. Oh my god. That was really loud. That was a door banging.
That's a door turning.
That's a handle. Oh my god. What is going on?
Make it in here. See if we can pick this up.
Right, I'm on the move. Spirit, if that was you that just lit that torch, can you light it again for me, please? If you just lit the torch and you want to speak with us, can you light the torch? Hi Nicola, how are you? Hello Kelly.
Spirit, do you want to stand beside David?
Oh, not jealous at all, Kelly. Not jealous at all.
Come on, you stand beside David.
We've had gale force winds and heavy rain and snow, you name it, we've had it in the last week.
Whoever's making the banging noise, come and stand beside me, David. Please.
Jane, I actually don't know where the canteen is.
Canteen?
Jane keeps hearing go to the canteen, go to the canteen.
It's behind us.
Is that the canteen behind us? What, through that door?
Because the person that told me to come here said if you cut right through the doors of the canteen, which I didn't know the canteen was.
Oh,
Yeah, bang on. Jane,
did you hear that, Jane? The canteen's behind us.
Jane, I don't know if you can see the...
Oh my god.
Well, Jane, see where that noise just came from? See where the door is? You can't really see up there.
Yeah, that door, the one.
That door. Well, behind that is an office, and then behind that again is the canteen. But you can cut right through.
Ah. So is the canteen where the security guard is?
It's in that block, in that square where the cars are. In
Oh.
there. So that's where we are. We're near it.
Have you had any figures?
Just you.
Just me. Right, we're going to walk up here. We're going to walk up here and see. I don't know if you can tell from the screen, but these warehouses are absolutely massive, so it takes you 10 minutes to get from one end to the other. It was through in this warehouse. The pigeon flapped and I nearly dropped one. Oh, could we be stairs? Oh, that's that pigeon again. As I say, I don't get easily spooked, but this place spooks me.
Smell that? Stinking. Turn around it. Let's go.
Oh, Jesus.
Let's carry on.
That's what Scooby-Doo. Well, that last thing there, that was another pigeon flapping about.
We'll just stay in this one.
Yeah. The energy's not quite as oppressive in here. Oh my god.
What is
That's where we've just been.
What is that? That's not wind.
I know it's not
there's
wind.
That's traffic. Now I can hear pigeons. Let's go. Move.
What is making that noise? Hello? Well, the pigeons just answered me. Fucking hell. Literally,
What's that? There's nothing there.
I just
Nothing to bang.
I just saw a man in that doorway.
David, there's nothing to bang.
This place has got me really on edge. Right, back through. Oh, God. I know, but it's annoying me.
Oh, back in then.
No.
We're on a night sounding like pure comedy, Joe. No, that's footsteps. Let's go. I'm going to phone security and ask them to make sure that we're here ourselves.
There's nobody in there. Well, no physical person.
If the guys in security are watching this, can you tell us if we are definitely alone in this part of the building? Because there's 100% there's footsteps and
It
banging,
actually
it's
feels
not
as
the wind.
though
We're getting
they're,
closed in.
we're getting closed in. They're coming from everywhere. What was that? Hi, Kim. That's voices.
That's footsteps, David.
That's voices. Right, I'm going back in to see.
Do you know, we've just come on here and said, nah, we don't get spooked till you spook.
I know.
We don't get spooked, we don't normally get bangs like that.
No, we don't.
This time goes on, let's see where the noises come from, right?
The thing is, I never run, but
I know.
that's
So you can see the light under there leading to those bits that are occupied.
yeah. Is that the?
Shine your torch up. Can I just show you what that was there? I can't see it with my eye.
Oh, that's the toilet. What's through there?
Toilet.
Oh my God. There's no way through. There's nothing there.
Right, hold on. I'm going to shut it.
Well, what I was thinking was an airflow. If there was an airflow, but I saw it.
Right, well, it's not moving.
But there's
Right, we'll leave it like that, right, and see what happens.
but there's no airflow. So there's no reason for that door.
That's all those noises.
What is that?
It's like stuff getting,
Oh my God, what is that?
it's like stuff getting moved about. Shine up so they can see. Can anybody see down there?
It's too far away. That's pigeons. Honest to God, I'm going to need a diazepam after this. There's that door going again. But there's no airflow through there.
Yeah, I'm going to shine it on that. Right, that's it. That's strange, that's cut off. There's another door down there.
That's the door banging.
That's a wind up there, I think. Spirit, if that shoe is banging that door and moving it, swinging it back and forward, can you stand so I can see you, please? That door was a hubba. Come on, open the door. Open the door, please. Open the door, and then if you open the door, we can maybe see you. So I've got my camera here, we can see you. We just want to speak to you.
Oh,
Thank you very much. Can you shut it? Close the
my
door,
God.
please. Can you close the door? Can you close it over? Can you see that on the camera? Can you close the door again, please, even if you slam it shut?
oh
Thank
my God.
you. Perhaps we might have got up.
No wonder.
Thank you. Thank you.
Jesus.
Right, let's go.
What is these footsteps?
Give it up, don't that.
Okay, Spirit, if you'd like to speak with us, can you follow us through into the next warehouse, please?
We can hear you a wee bit better in there.
Oh,
I think your friends are making a lot of noise.
my nerves are shredded.
Right, I'm not sure. It sounds like machinery they're moving down there.
It does sound like machinery. That wasn't there earlier. That hard hat.
What it was.
Was it?
I thought it was one of yours.
Oh, God. I need a fag.
I wonder if we should get one that microphonic sound. Do you want to?
Right, so we're back in our safe space.
How amazing was that?
So that was absolutely amazing. And to actually, normally when these things happen, you've not got the camera, but we've got it on camera, which is absolutely amazing.
Right, so we'll get the microphonic sound and see if we can get the name.
Yeah.
Any requests out there for what you want us to do?
Yeah, does anybody have any requests? Do you want us to get the EVP out or the spirit box?
Yeah, it's went quiet now.
I know. But it's so peaceful in here compared to in there. In there is so charged. That was nuts.
That was nuts. The noises down there, I know you probably can't hear them as much as we can in here, sounded like stuff getting dragged about,
It did.
didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Right, any requests? We'll put the microphone.
Yes, spirit box, yep.
Yeah.
Stay online there all night, Roy. Aye.
We don't even
I'll be lucky if my nerves can last another half an hour.
Roy, is he liking it?
Aye, aye.
Right, we'll get the microphone.
Right, so we're just going to get the spirit box out and see.
I'm not even cold anymore.
I'm still cold. It's because you moved. Oh, that's come up saying vibrations, look.
I don't think I'm moving like that. In front of his nose.
Veronica, we were asked to come and investigate a warehouse complex just next to the Clyde because a lot of the warehouses and buildings staff won't come into because they're really freaked out because they keep seeing things and hearing things. I think it's that light that's setting it off.
Because it needs the light to get the motion.
No, that one. I mean that big light. I think it was catching it. It's a wire. I know.
There's a shadow in that back.
In that door? Well, see, Will, you were going to the car to get that.
Uh-huh.
And that's what I said, I seen them.
Okay. Nice, it's no shadow. Right.
So that motion sensor dog keeps going off.
Down again.
Absolute bag of nails in this place.
Absolutely, that can you focus on that? Do you know this light's so bright you can't actually see anything?
You'll be needing a wee wine after this one.
A wee wine.
I just heard singing
Ah, good.
from my right hand side coming from up here. Spirit, if that was you that sung a wee song there, can you sing it again? God, I get fright my life there. Do you know, this whole live has been embarrassing for me, because when you deal with demons and poltergeist hauntings and things like that, and then you come into this warehouse and you're jumping every 2 seconds. Jane, everyone said that the canteen is just through those doors. Those doors are locked and we can't get through, but that's where it is. And it's this area here, where we keep seeing the shadow man. Just feel absolutely surrounded in here. Look.
What's the name of the spirit that's banging about, banging doors?
Oh, good. That was a pure growl.
Nurse.
Timothy. Timothy's come up on that.
Is your name Timothy?
Ask if his name's Doogie or Donald.
Is your name Doogie? Is your name Donald?
No. Roy.
Roy.
Just
Okay,
said
is your
Roy.
name Roy? Okay, whoever it is we're speaking to, what is it you're doing here?
So I heard somebody say work, and I heard somebody saying not sure.
I'm sure. To the spirit that works here, what is it you do? What do you work as?
I heard singing up there earlier on.
They're singing.
I just heard that. I don't know if she's heard it over the noise of the spirit box, but we just heard quite loud, constant singing behind us. Angus?
Where's the spirit that's singing? Can you sing a wee bit louder, please?
It was definitely a female that was singing.
It was.
It was a female.
Sing a wee bit louder so we can hear you.
Spirit, can you tell us the name of the female who was singing there? Yes. What is her name?
Yes.
What is her name?
It's interesting. So it's slowed through there now we've moved out again.
It is.
I wonder if we go back out and start again. Can we try?
Okay. Right. 3, 2, 1, up. How do we not just take the spirit box? No, that shouldn't have went off.
That wee dog only moves to the right in front of its nose. But if that's you, walk in front of the wee dog again, let's see it roll again. You like the wee dog?
Oh my god.
It's tail moving.
Right.
See if you like the dog. There's a ball just behind the wee dog. Do you want to see if you can touch that? Nope. Okay.
There's another bang in there.
Would you rather play with the dog?
What's the pigeons?
Right through there.
Mhm.
Okay, we're going to go next door. Do you want to walk past the wee dog? Do you want us? Flashing in the bag. Have you something in the bag?
No. In my bag?
Oh, maybe it's in the components. It's okay.
Yeah, that's what it is. We'll take the spirit box. Veronica is really busy in
Is
here.
it my Veronica?
Yeah, I
Hi,
think so.
Veronica.
As far as I'm aware, this complex hasn't been investigated before. So I think that's why it's as lively as it is.
Right, well, it's been nice and quiet for the last 10 minutes. I don't know if you've seen, Veronica, the door opening and closing. If you watch it back when we're finished, when we asked it to open the door, it did, and it closed. It's wide open now. Oh, no, we left that
It was closed.
closed. It's wide
Oh no. No, it was closed.
No, it's ready. Burn them. Okay, Spirit, we're back again. Do you think you could close that door again, please? It's moving. Yes. See if you can close it, please.
Veronica, I don't think it is the Highlander move.
We'll start again.
Brave, it said, aye, with us.
Start again. Down there. The door's shut now.
Oh my god.
Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you so much. Right, okay. And I know that took a lot of energy. Thank you. Fucking hell, it's just said. Can you push it back open again, please, and then I won't ask you again. See if you can push the door open one more time. No. Push it open, please. It's a car that's gone by.
Yeah.
Spirit, push it open, right open. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Oh.
Thank you. No, I think we need to prove to them that there's nobody there.
There is nobody there.
I know there isn't, but just in case you...
It's
Spirit, we're coming
I think
in.
it's just a toilet.
Give it now. There you go. Look, there's no one there.
Fucking heebie-jeebies.
It's just a toilet with nothing else. Right, thanks, Spirit. We're just going to go away down the bottom. Before I go, slam that door shut. Just slam the door shut and then... I can't. Slam the door shut and then we'll go down the other end. Come on, you can do it.
What?
Go away, will you slam it? Don't even slam it, just push it shut.
Right, there's footsteps coming from my right hand side. What was that?
You just said there's footsteps, so let's go down that way. Come on. Right, Spirit, you can shut it now, we're going away.
Oh no.
What
What the fuck? Try not to breathe, there's pigeon shit everywhere.
Right, stop that.
No.
Is it not?
No, it's no. Spirit, if there's anybody here with us, can you say your name into the machine that everyone's holding, please? Ian? Are we speaking to an Ian? If that's correct, can you say yes?
Is it aye?
Yeah. Ian again. Ian, did you have an accident here? Did something happen to you here?
So you can't remember?
I thought it said cardio.
As a medium, what are you picking up?
Aye, a heart
Same
attack.
person.
Do we have any female spirits here? Are there any females that would like to speak? Can you say your name into the machine that everyone's holding, please? They have, Roy. They've said your name a few times.
Still buzzing. Roy, I'm still buzzing about the door. The highlight of my year so far.
If there's any female spirits here, can you say your name into the machine that everyone's holding, please? No?
See, that's gone from that room again.
Hi, Lynn Marie. Hi, Donna.
So what do you think's in the door?
The door, it's a man.
It's a man.
We'll go back through to the other one.
Okay.
We seem to be getting more when we're through there.
Apart from that door.
Well, apart from that
Bill,
door.
as you can see, what we'll do is actually we'll just check. I think it's still open. We'll leave it open and then
open.
we'll come back and check before we go.
Yeah, because it's the tiles.
That is. It's still open.
Look at that.
That was everyone.
Ow.
Go upstairs, it said.
Murdered, I just heard.
Oh, back in the room, house.
I know. Back to safety.
Do you want a wee break?
Yes.
Yeah, they're saying yeah. Chrissy?
Let's see what it's been saying while we've been away. Return. Pretty. Eerie.
No.
Now that's strange.
Right, wait, we'll see, right?
Eerie is eerie means creepy, but it's not a word
Right, wait, we'll see.
that's
what
often
it's
used.
saying. Ready? Right, hang on, I can't see. Ready? Let's see. Doctor. Diabolical record. Frank. Open. Eerie.
Thanks, Donna. We've been doing it for nearly 20 years.
Down here. Right, Spirit, we're going to give you a wee break for 5 minutes and we'll come back.
Yeah. Donna, we've been asked to check out a warehouse complex because a lot of the staff won't come into some of the warehouses because they see things and hear things. And by Christ, do they?
One pick up on this.
Yeah, so everyone's got the SLS camera which sees people in movement that the naked eye can't see.
So nice and quiet when we come out, isn't it?
Yeah, Donna, it is in Glasgow.
Spirit, if you walk towards me, I can see you on this camera. Right, you can do that. Come on, you walk forward. Or even if you stand beside David.
Still nothing?
How long have we been live? Feels like we've been live all night.
I've no idea.
Hours.
We're going to go and grab a cup of tea, I think.
Yeah, thank you.
And then we'll hit round 2 and see what else we can get happening. But I do have to say that door was mega impressive.
For anyone that's just joined, when we come off, if you go back to the must have been after the first 5-10 minutes.
That's about half an hour ago.
What was it? And run it forward to where there's a door. The door opens and closes to us asking it.
Yeah, I think it's about half an hour. It must be about half an hour in. I'm not impressed easily because I've done this for so long. I've seen practically everything, but that door is impressive for me anyway. Anyway, we're going to go and get a cup of tea, and I will have a full packet of fags because my nerves are stuffed. If we keep getting good stuff, we'll come back on, okay? Thanks everybody for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.